pretty pleasant day.
Get out of our chamois. We were grown-ups.
Yeah. Views. All right. Yep.
I'm gonna go off one more time.
Stay right, give baby space. Is that whiskey fork up front? Yeah. American custard. What's it? Good morning. We are doing the final check here. More like the airplane clean up. Good.
Loaded?
Everything loaded. All right, let's lock it up. We're gonna get on the road here, guys, and bring you more riding content across the state of Iowa. We have 74 miles, 1100 or 1400 feet of climbing, so not a whole lot. So it should be a pretty pleasant day. It's gonna be hot, and we're hoping to be in by 3 o'clock. If we're faster, maybe sooner. But if it's windy, maybe later. Jake, how the hamstrings feeling this morning?
Everything feels like not very good.
I know, right? And we slept good.
Good.
We came in early, and we were
Got in early. We got out of our chamois. We were grown-ups.
Yeah. I think we're out of our chamois before an hour, right?
Yeah, I think so.
And now we're still struggling, guys.
Still struggling.
The 10 people that were there last night are already gone. Some buses are moving out. All right, see y'all on the road. Not even a quarter mile in. The drama queen over there is getting his sensors. I told him I'm ahead, but he loves Grumman. Good. All right. We got some people over there camping, bringing down camp, getting ready to rock and roll in the morning. The first few pedal strokes uphill every RAGBRAI morning feel absolutely painful. Feels like as soon as you join the crowd, the energy comes back. You feel good, you feel refreshed, and reminded why you're here to ride bikes. Morning. I do like your outfit.
Thank you.
The best one so far I've seen today. You too. If you're looking for breakfast, these gas stations don't usually have like a breakfast burrito, pizza, or something like that you can consume. We're about to join the route this morning. First hill of the day coming up. Might be our only hill. That was fun. As you can tell, I'm already sweating like crazy. Well, Yvonne's not messing around today, guys. She's going hard in the paint. We're in Armstrong, past town. We're gonna probably get something here or what, we'll figure something out. Let's roll into town and see what's going on. Armstrong welcomes us. Thank you very much, Armstrong, for having us. Now we wander around. I just love the RAGBRAI wandering, where we just kind of walk around, see what we see. First time the charm. Yeah. Photo op. We got the rest of the people there getting their pictures of Armstrong, Iowa, named after Lance Armstrong. Whoa! I decided not to get in because I really don't want to try to get all my kit on. Woo! There we go. There we go. How does it feel?
Really good.
Is it nice and refreshing?
Yeah, I'm gonna go off one more time.
Hopefully you're haunted as like I will be. We're not wandering aimlessly. We're actually looking for food. We did scope out a burrito spot, right?
Yeah, we found a little burrito spot. We might cook with that.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yvonne's holding the line, so we'll see.
What's that?
Yvonne's busy messing around with this bike here.
I want you to see the GPS of the past, the sport track. Aria's gonna get one of these for his bike.
Oh, it doesn't upload to the strong, I don't want it.
We got an OG frame bag. Unfortunately, the chain does not turn.
Yeah,
Still going.
good. We got some sausage burrito. Jake's about to eat it. It is lacking a little bit of seasoning. They don't have the Blackstone seasoning. Okay, we are all fueled and it's time to go on to the next town, which I think is only like 11, 12 miles away. It gets shorter and shorter, the distance to the next towns. I like your outfit.
Thank you.
Where you guys riding from? Oh, Iowa City. Good to meet you. It's still mildly pleasant temperature-wise. Slight side wind, 10 miles an hour, but I think it's helping us stay cool. How you feeling, Yvonne?
Pretty good actually, but
Yeah.
I'm riding above my pay grade today.
All right, let's see what Swea City has to offer. Time to get a little bit wet. Oh, it was a shock to the system. It shocked me bigly. All right, we're in Swea City. Let's see what we got here. I'll take a water from the firefighters. I'll take one from you, sir. Thank you. Thank you guys for being out here. Firefighters taking care of business out here in Swea. Swea as a SWEA city. There's a water tower over there. Let's see what we got. We just have breakfast, but the firehouses usually have like a breakfast. Yvonne found the shade, so she's hanging out right over there. When you're in RAGBRAI, you gotta become skillful and master in finding the shade. Otherwise, you're gonna die of exposure out here.
It came like that.
Look at that.
And then I got some.
It's got his cargo back here. So the Amish made those tires for
They
you?
did, yeah.
Wow.
They sure did, yeah. Yeah.
Man.
No, absolutely not.
And what's the what do you average for speed on that thing?
8.1 yesterday.
How-
5 miles per hour.
How do you do in the wind?
If it's a tailwind, I love it. If it's a headwind, not
You just
so great.
kinda-
about 5 miles an hour. But if it gets below 4, I just get off and push. It's easy.
Yeah. Captain America, Lucky Penny USA is about to get rolling here. There we go. Look at that. That's how we get started. Boom. Just like that. And off he goes. Do not expect me to try that because that looks hard as hell. There's another pool there. If there's a pool closer to town, we'll do it for sure. Right now it's just too early. I don't want to like be riding in a wet chamois for 40 miles. Okay, let's keep rolling.
See if I can ride Jake's
How you guys doing? Good. Good. All right, this is Team America right here. These guys are legit. Fourth town of the day, actually. We'll probably take a minute to recompose ourselves and then we'll keep rolling. Nice little town here. How's the jail?
Oh, it's great.
I'm hanging out with the inmate here. So what have you done to get in jail? What did you do?
You know, just having too much fun.
That's the problem. That would be,
And too much fun at Bancroft.
They left me out of the Bancroft jail, so that's good. Jake, I don't trust you in my wheel, man.
Yeah, no, don't
You
trust
know,
me.
but then I'll draft you though.
Get all
Okay.
the drafts. Half wheel. Then tell me you don't trust me.
That guy, we had a guy that was drafting us off, and it was kind of being like, oh, I don't trust Jake.
We picked up a parasite.
And Jake actually was pulling. He was in our pace line, so he's kind of pushing him out.
How's your core temperature?
It sent chills down my spine.
In a good way.
Yeah, in a good way for sure. Feels good though. I feel
Definitely. Any chance.
good. Water tower. That's majestic. Bancroft. We'll probably do burritos later. Kind of full from eating gels and stuff. There we go. What do you guys think? Does Jack look like he's on a tandem? Well, what one's that one?
Targeting red-tailed.
Omaha.
Omaha.
Yes.
Nice. Why don't you call it Iowa City or something?
Huh?
Iowa City maybe.
He was found in Omaha.
Oh, okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. We're gonna baptize Jake in pork chop. And let's go get a pork chop. There we go. There's the pork chop. Definitely, that's what we're here for. We're not getting t-shirts, we're not getting hats, we're just here for the pork chops. It's gonna be good. Stay tuned.
See you again today.
Randy,
How you doing?
how's it going? Are you eating pork chop too?
We already had one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, this is my buddy Randy. Randy, they haven't seen you since the rad. Remember?
That has been a while.
That's
It's been
like
long time.
what, 3 years?
It's been like 3 years.
I got you already.
Oh, you got me? Oh, sweet. Jake hooked me up. Thanks, Jake. Walking around aimlessly with a giant piece of meat in my hand. Sorry for those vegetarians, but we had to stop and get this. Jake treated me to that, so I can't complain. I'm trying to figure out where is the best spot to bite this into it. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, yeah. That's it. Really good. You find you want some?
No, I'm not a meat boy, so
No, you-
I don't think they would even sell meat one.
Probably not.
Uh,
There's Jack with his meat.
Did you get the pink lemonade?
Pink one.
So we could leave Maria truly disappointed. Exactly.
All right, Jack, you gotta give the people the verdict. All right. We got some kind of firefighting skills course there. We're gonna go play the Firefighter game here. Come on! On the prize! Set, go!
It takes a little bit.
Yeah, that was good. That was so good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah. You can't say I didn't bring you all the views. This section here is really nice. Super, what's the word I'm looking for? Invigorating.
Can you feel the temperature drop
Like,
with the water next
Big
to it?
time. Big time. Okay, let me enjoy the sprinklers. Oh yeah, that felt amazing. I took my sweet time to really enjoy that one. A little bit of an update here. I think I'm losing too much salt. I am cramping just a smidget. Well, I cramped it bigly, so I had to stop and stretch the leg out. Yvonne helped me out. Now we're gonna get water and head on out. Keep rolling, 25 to go. There we go. We're trying to hydrate because we're losing all the moisture, aren't we?
It's toasty.
Yeah. I'm feeling it, guys. Feeling it big time. All right. Just a second here, sir. Look at that. John Deere. As you see, the line is fierce. Everybody's here for some ice cream. There's a lot in this town. This is a Titonka. This is the town that we're in, water tower there. There's water. Get some water and then we'll keep rolling.
Yeah, pretty sure I've seen your previous videos.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name's George.
George.
What's your name?
Ria, Iowa Gravelgang.
Iowa Gravel.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
Awesome, yeah.
Thanks, man. I appreciate you watching.
It's a couple.
Look at that. That's a beautiful lake. Crystal Lake, it's called. Hey, you too, man. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but this is called Iowa Wind Valley. It is so windy right here. I'm going downhill, 20 miles an hour, doing over 200 watts. It is painfully windy. The views are absolutely stunning though. And if you could see there, the windmill is a good indication, I suppose. And I was cramping so bad, but I had to overcome those cramps by just kind of pedaling through the pain. That was a heck of a day, so I need to figure out where the RV is so that we can go move it. I'll find a spot. We'll see what else is on tap for the rest of the day. We're dining with Kings today. Let me show you what we're having. Jeff's already getting the heck out of his. Well, we got spaghetti meatballs, 2 rolls, salad, and cookie. Get a drink, some nitrous oxide drink. We got cheese and we get some ranch for our salad. So not bad.